ang kasinungalingan sa opportunities. The truth about opportunities. May lumang kasabihan tayo that opportunities knocks once. Actually, hindi totoo yun. Opportunities knocks several times in your lifetime. There are unlimited opportunities. Kaso, they don't knock. Opportunities whisper. Kaya kung minsan hindi mo nakikita yung opportunity na yan, minsan mahina yung dating eh. Akala mo lang hindi yun, pero yun na pala yung opportunity. Opportunities comes out of some conversations. Minsan kahit very small project, it's an opportunity na. Minsan may mag-offer sa'yo ng opportunity pero hindi mo pinapansin. Pinapalampas mo. Dasal ka ng dasal kay Lord pero pag binigyan ka ng opportunity, hindi mo naman pinapansin. Hindi mo sinusunggaban. Binabagsak na sa harap mo, hindi mo pa pinapansin. Nandiyan na yung opportunity. Most opportunities look like work. That's why people miss them. Napapalampas, pinapalampas. Kasi ayaw nila maghirap. Ayaw nilang trabahuin. Gusto nila yung opportunity pag binigay sa kanila. Nandiyan na agad. Hindi naman pwede yun. They're waiting for something obvious. Minsan ay hindi nila tinitingnan kung ano yung paparating, kung anong nasa kabila ng opportunity na binagsak na sa harap nila. Life-changing moments or chances are disguised as ordinary moments. Nasalubong mo lang, naimbitahan ka lang pero hindi ka sumama. Pinigyan ka ng offer, inimbita ka pero sinabi niya, alam ko na yan, kayo na lang. Nag-offer na yung tao na, sige, tutulungan kita. Pero binaliwala mo. Pay attention. Please pay attention. That door of opportunity is probably already open now. Kita mo na, pero ini-ignore mo pa.